Hi, this is my nameplate I printed with my 3D printer here at my school. So I went ahead and put Mrs. Page on it so I can use it in my classroom. Um, so I went with the triangular design so you'd be able to read it from like across the room, that you didn't have to be looking directly at it. And I started with the triangle base and then added the text on top of it. So the text sticks up off, and I had to lock the text on and the shape itself onto each other. I also learned I needed to use the raft feature on my printer. I just get a much cleaner print. When I tried to not use it, it had a lot more issues. But that really helped bind everything together, including using the raft and using the and making sure the two pieces were locked. I forgot to lock them and tried to print the first time, and it basically I just got a bunch of strands of plastic because it wasn't able to follow the directions. So that's what really helped the design work. I also tried to make sure everything was spaced well and even. Sorry, I'm trying to use the camera to actually show how it worked. This is how it came out. I'm pretty happy with it.